What's up, YouTube? Big Daddy here. It's time for another food review. Today we're back at DQ checking out their new Dairy Queen's new Blizzard, the Reese's Outrageous. Reese's Outrageous is vanilla. Oh man, it's leaking like crazy. It's vanilla ice cream, Reese's peanut butter cups, man, dripping, and Reese's Pieces, all blended together into a blizzard. Thank you, mystery guest. So let's check this out before it melts. It's good. I like the flavor. A lot of peanut butter.
Oh, and it's got peanut butter in it too.
It has peanut butter in it? Okay. I didn't know that. So there you go. So you got peanut butter cups, and Reese's Pieces all together. The only thing I would say is some people might be a little put off by the Reese's Pieces in the ice cream because it makes them hard. But other than that, it's pretty good. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. I think it's awesome. 10 all day. That's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, tap the notification bell so you know when the next video is coming out. And remember, folks, before you take the first bite, you got to stuff in your pie hole. We're out.